Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reinstall Roblox. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type add or remove programs. Click on open it. Search Roblox. Select the three dot icon next to Roblox and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just close stuff here and go to search menu and type percentage local app data percentage and comes up a file folder. Click on open it. In here you just need to find a Roblox folder, just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just to close stuff here and now we just need to right click on the recycle bin and select empty recycle bin. After emptying the recycle bin, you just need to open up Chrome or any other browser, type Roblox download, select the first link, select the download Windows app option. After getting download and install it, after the installation done, you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.